I could hardly believe my eyes. A giant pine tree like this. Just imagine how powerful the saw must be to cut through such a massive trunk. The worker seems to be battling a giant beast in the forest. With years of experience, the worker easily slices the enormous trunk into thin boards, as if cutting through a cake. After a cracking sound, the beast falls onto the ground amidst a landscape covered by mountains and forests. This is an accident where a giant crane overturned while lifting a massive pine tree, causing the vehicle to flip over. It is a testament to the lack of experience. The snow-covered forest poses significant challenges for logging. Observe the iron beast furiously cutting and destroying wood on the slippery surface affected by the snow. The machine can operate smoothly even under heavy snowfall. It's impressive how someone has the courage to drive that beast in the harsh conditions of the snowy forest. Precision and skill are essential in such extreme conditions. The Komatsu WA470 wood lift is specifically designed to move large logs and transport them to collection sites. The machine is equipped with large forks to easily lift massive loads, but attaching the forks to handle excessive weights can cause instability, often leading to accidents. However, with experienced workers and precise calculations, wood transportation becomes manageable. The Valmet 840.3 is a log transporter equipped with a massive steel arm used to load large logs onto the vehicle. The powerful roar of its engine battles through the muddy roads. The rainy season turns the paths into slippery, water-filled tracks, creating a nightmare for log transport drivers in the forest. However, with the driver's years of experience and the machine's immense power, it can easily overcome the dangerous swampy roads. A courageous individual is risking it all to trim large branches high above. Boom! The massive weight of the wood brings down a wave of dust, and now it's time to transport it. An incredible technique is at work. The large branches are cut with remarkable precision as the extended arm moves like a surgeon's hand, effortlessly pruning the branches. But with a strong sense of determination, the woodworker overcomes every challenge. The giant beast, the 437D John Deere, weighs around 32,980 pounds and is equipped with a massive steel arm, making the transportation of huge logs effortless. The extended arm, like a surgeon's hand, easily lifts the enormous weight of the wood. A massive log is safely lifted onto the truck without any fuss. Now it's time to transport the logs, as incredible technique comes into play. Oh no, he's turning too fast. This driving style is truly reckless and wild. A heavy-duty logging truck is in a tough battle. I'm not sure if he can make it, as the massive weight of the wood kicks up a wave of dust. And now it's time to transport it through a dangerous curve using incredible technique. It's a remarkable display of teamwork, showcasing the strength of spirit and transport skills on treacherous roads. It just lifted that massive tree stump off the ground. Amazing! The EcoLog 688 resembles a metal monster show with immense power. Its sturdiness is like shark teeth, gripping the stump tightly and pulling it out of the ground with just a snap. I wonder what it would feel like to drive that beast. The monster slices through wood effortlessly and glides over rough terrain, something I can only marvel at. At $500,000, it seems like a solid investment, doesn't it? You're watching the Dipperfox Stump Grinder, your new favorite tool for stump removal. This machine makes quick work of stumps. It's equipped with sharp rotating blades, making it easy to tackle even the most stubborn roots. The beast completes the job in just a few minutes, and guess what? It can be yours for around $3,000.